In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to move files into folders, adjust who can see them, and safely remove anything you no longer need. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Head to the official site and sign into your account. Make sure you have permission to manage files in your workspace. If you don't, ask your admin to grant access. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the main navigation. Find the Content section, then click Files. This is your file manager, where you can preview, sort, and take actions on your assets. To organize a file, locate it in the list and select the checkbox to the left of its name. When you select a file, new actions appear at the top of the page. Click Move. A folder picker will open. Browse to the folder where you want this file to live, or choose the destination that best fits your naming and folder structure. Good organization makes it easier for teammates to find approved assets later. When you've selected the correct folder, click Move to confirm. HubSpot will relocate the file and keep its URL the same, so your existing links won't break. Next, let's edit visibility. Select the checkbox next to the same file again and choose Change File Visibility at the top. You'll see three options. Public makes the file accessible to anyone with the link and discoverable by search engines. Public. NoIndex keeps the file publicly accessible but asks search engines not to index it, which is useful for assets you want to share but not have show up in search results. Private restricts access, so only authenticated users with the right permissions can view the file. For this example, choose Private. Click Save. You may see a confirmation step to apply the privacy change. Click Make Private to finish. Keep in mind that changing visibility can affect who can see the asset on live pages, so coordinate with your team if others rely on this file. Finally, to delete a file, select its checkbox again and click Move to Trash at the top. Review the confirmation message, then click Move to Trash to confirm. This removes the file from active use. If your team has retention settings, you may be able to restore items from the trash for a limited time. But it's best to only trash files you're sure you no longer need. That's it. You've organized files into folders, controlled who can see them, and cleaned up what you don't need, all inside HubSpot's Files tool.